nandito naman lola nyong gala. Andito naman sa gilid-gilid, kita mo, ayan, nakikita nyo may puno. Andito, magluluto tayo ng adobo for today. Ayan ho, may oil na tayo dito. So, pinapainit lang natin. And of course, nandito yung mahiwagan natin tantaran or chopping board. There you go. You put the garlic. Ayan. We have garlic in there. Smell good. Yummy, yummy. Oh, smell good. Really good. So, there you go. We have a garlic. Ayan, magluto ang lola nyong gala. La 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 la. Ayan. Nakita nyo, malamig pa rin dito sa amin ngayon. Pero may araw siya. Dito tayo sa puno. Habang tayo ay nagpapakulo. Ayan, i-brown-brown lang natin ng konti. Today, magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo. So, we have onions, garlic. Now, we put the onion. Ayan. O, diba? Ang sarap. Ang bango-bango talaga. Ang bango-bango. Ayan. It's so delicious. And after that, ilalagay natin ang ating chicken. Wala. Ay, nasayang yung paper plate ko. Sa katamaran ko, ayan na yung ating chicken. Cut and wash already. So, ayan, lagay natin. Woo! So, lagay natin. May basurahan ho tayo. May basurahan. May huwagang basurahan. So, anyway. Diyan muna yan. At tayo ay magpunas ng kamay. Kung bakit naman ang bango naman ang niluluto natin. Hindi pa nga ang bango talaga. Kaya magic talaga yung bawang. Ayan. Ayan, gisa-gisa. Mikos-mikos. Halo-halo. Ayan. Sangkot siya. Ayan. Ayan. Itong chicken ay sale. Kaya nakapagluto ang lola nyo. Dahil mura ngayon. Mura ngayon yung chicken. 99 cents a pound. Yung quarter leg. So, anyway. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan. Mag-add tayo ng black pepper. So, ayan. Ooh, smell delicious. Delicioso. It's my mistake. I cannot find my bay leaves, so I have to dig inside over there in my van. I have to find my bay leaves. So we have ayan. So kailangan mikos-mikos natin, sote-sote. Kailangan magluto-luto muna siya bago natin lagyan ng soy sauce and vinegar. Ayan, takpan natin para maluto siya. So anyway, ayan, nakita natin na natin. Lagyan natin ng bay leaves, laurel, ang ating adobo. Alam mo, kahit yung mga ganito, mahal na pala. Dati may tanim ako nito. Hindi na ako bumibili. Ayan, lagyan natin yung laurel. So anyway, so my menu is chicken adobo. We have garlic, onions, chicken, black pepper, bay leaves, and then we're gonna put the soy sauce. Oh, cooking oil, of course, a little bit. Then we put the soy sauce. There you go. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Ayan. And then we're gonna put water. But for the meantime, we mix again. Mix. And then we're gonna put the vinegar. Of course. Without vinegar, we cannot call that adobo. Without soy sauce, it's not adobo. So I don't know in other country if it's called adobo. So I have vinegar. So look like half a cup. 1 cup of soy sauce and half a cup of vinegar. There you go. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of water para lumambot siya. So we need water. So if you're beginner to cook adobo, you have to make sure your water, your soy sauce, your garlic, your onions, your oil, your black pepper, but since we know how to cook already, or I know how to cook the adobo, so I don't have to measure it. So I just calculate it. See, that's the water. And then we have to wait until it boiled, and then we'll see what's gonna happen, if it's tastes good or not good. So for the meantime, while we're waiting to boil and make sure that it tastes good, we're gonna wash our dishes that we use. So, diba? So anyway guys, pagkatapos ko rinse ng aking mga patsimpan, since wala akong scrubber, kasi na may mga sabon naman tayo. Nandito yung ating, so binigay ko sa anak ko yung aking scrubber. So paka-rinse ko niyan, paka-hugas, sinasanitize ko pa rin siya ng white vinegar. Maubos na, kailangan naman natin ng bagong white vinegar. So anyway, since napakatamad ko bumili ng pang-spray, so ang ginagawa ko, ito nga pala yung aking sink. So lalagay ko dyan, since wala akong space, lalagay ko dyan, dito ko naghuhugas, kung anong hugasan ko. Ayan. Tapos ito kulap sa bowl, natutupi. Ayan. Taran. So yan ang aking sink. So anyway, para mag-sanitize, since wala yung spray ko dito, binubuhos ko lang yan dyan. Dito. Ayan. Kunti lang. Tapos i-sanitize natin ang ating mga lutuan. Which ako lang naman ang kakain, ako lang naman nagluluto. So, ayan, katulad ng atin nahuga na rinse ko na ito siya kanina. Ayan. Pupunasan ko lang siya. Ayan. Ayan, amoy suka na yan siya. Ang ating naugasan naman siya. Pero maganda yung may suka siya. So anyway, ayan, kumukulo na ang ating chicken adobo. Ayan. O diba? So anyway, pag nag-adobo ako, I put like 1 spoon of sugar. So balance ng salt, the vinegar and soy sauce. So I put a little bit of sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. Depende kung gaano, depends on how much is the portion you have of your adobo. If you have a lot, you put 2 or 3 to balance the sours and salt. So ayan, ganyan. Yan, sanitize na yan siya. Pwede ko na siya itago. Kasi white vinegar lang. Nasira kasi yung aking spray. Nasira, nahulog, nasira yung pang-spray. Kaya ganito muna tayo. So anyway, ganun lang yan. Ayan, collapse na siya. Tapos, ayan, mga plat na yan sila. Ayan, pwede mo na itago ng ganito. So, yan ang story ng lola nyong gala. So, diba? Wee! It smell good. But we have to taste it if it's need more vinegar, need more soy sauce, or need more black pepper. I think we need a little bit more of soy sauce. This is my dinner for tonight. But I didn't cook rice. Maybe I'm gonna cook rice pretty soon. We have adobo. Since I have one burner, it's Bun Life. But most people that doing Bun Life, they're not cooking what I'm cooking. Some of them, they buy like already made, you just warm it up. Or they have some what you call that, slow cooker. Me, I always cook something. Since I don't have a regular kitchen like the other people that doing Bun Life, they have their own kitchen, but they barely cook. They all just warm it up. Put a little bit more. There you go. Any soy sauce you guys you could use for adobo. And then we're gonna add a little bit spicy vinegar, a little bit. There. Pasensya na kayo. My apology if I'm using 1 spoon in my food, because I'm the only one eating it. You know, I'm by myself. So if I gonna serve this to the other people, of course I'm gonna use the spoon to taste the food, and I'm gonna use the big spoon to stir my adobo. So some people comment that I use 1 spoon at the whole time, but since I'm by myself, I'm the only one gonna eat my food, what I make, so it doesn't matter. But well, yeah, in the right way, I know, because I work in the food service. It's not only in the food service, it's a big food service. Of course we have a spoon for tasting, and we have a spoon to stir the food. But since I'm by myself, and then I don't have a full kitchen, why am I gonna use too much utensil that it's hard to wash? Because I don't have a full size kitchen in here that they have a sink, a stove, and everything. Mine are just trying to not to use too much utensils, so I don't have to wash that much. So I know people, I have some people that comment how I cook and how I use the spoon at the same time. But as I explain again, I'm the only one gonna eat my food, what I make, what I cook. So it doesn't matter if I use this to put in my mouth and stir it again. All I know is it smell good and it tastes good. So I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes, and we're gonna cook rice. So because I don't need to cook rice, because I have bread. So rice and bread is still the same. It's a flour. So maybe tomorrow I'll cook rice, because I could eat this with what? Bread, potato, tortillas, flatbread, anything. Beans. Oh, anyway, you could cook adobo with beans. If you wanna add beans in your adobo, it's good too. Usually I do that. I put pinto beans or black beans, the one in the can, in my adobo. Or you could add eggs, hard-boiled eggs. You could add to your adobo. Quail eggs, potato, anything you want, you could add to your adobo, so you don't have to make starch. But basically, Filipinos always eat rice, because rice is life. So This is how it looks like, my adobo. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. And it is really good, so all I know, I really like it. Ayan mga kaibigan, malapit na. Patuyuin lang natin ng konti ang ating adobo. So anyway, you could make chicken adobo, turkey adobo, pork adobo, long beans adobo, Chinese long beans adobo, or you could get adobong kangkong, which mean is the, what you call that, water spinach. You could make as adobo on that. You could do a lot of adobo. So anyway, so I didn't use my I used this one because they have a cover on it. I used to use if I use the frying pan, this one is almost dry already, but I use this one, so it takes a while to dry the sauce, the juice. So it's like this. Chicken adobo, adobo, adobo. Ayan. Yeah, you could mix beans, black beans, pinto beans, any beans, potato, hard-boiled eggs, quail eggs. You could mix it over here in this thing. You could make any kind of adobo. I don't know, I cannot stop I cannot stop it. I keep freaking using the spoon and eat it. Well, this is the quarter legs chicken I use. Any kind of chicken you could cook it as adobo. Yummy, yummy. Chicken adobo. Ang lola niyong gala nandito sa ilalim ng puno. Oh, hot. So delicious. That's it, guys. I'm gonna eat my dinner. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time. All I know, my chicken adobo is just really good. So if I gonna if I didn't finish this for 2 days, I'm gonna add beans and eggs, no, hard-boiled eggs or potato. Then it looks like adobo with potatoes. This one is just chicken. So my ingredients for my chicken adobo is, of course, chicken, cooking oil, garlic, onions, bay leaves, soy sauce, vinegar, and a little bit 1 spoon of sugar to balance the salty and the sour. So that's for me. I don't know for the other people. So this is the just traditional adobo. But if you wanna go, mix a lot of stuff, like what I said, you could mix hard-boiled egg, quail egg, pinto beans, black beans, red beans. You could use potatoes or other vegetables if you want, to try a different kind of adobo. Basically, this is the regular, just classic adobo. That's in Philippines, they cook like this all the time. Like 4 people are gonna make adobo. There's no a lot of things to put it. Just chicken and ingredients, and that's it. I mean, you got typical adobo, and then you eat with rice. But over here, for me, I could eat with bread, with baked potatoes, anything, dinner rolls, sliced bread, flat bread, tortilla. Yeah, you could eat that. So, cheers. Let's go eat. So delicious. Mm. 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 So anyway, that's for now, and wait, napahaba na. That's for now for our chicken adobo, and thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to like and share, and visit my YouTube channel, Minga USA. Please subscribe. It's free. Okay, bye. Love you all, and God bless.